Hi guys, this is Tian, and today I'll be doing a review of the Amazon Fire HD 8 tablet that I just recently received. We're going to start off that it's a high definition screen, 1000, let me take a look at my notes here, 1280 by 800. It's not full HD, but it's still good. It's high definition, and 189 ppi per inch. That's pretty good. HD video playback. It's a quad-core processor, 1.3 gigahertz with 1.5 gigabyte of RAM. It's more than sufficient to run your apps such as Facebook, YouTube, some light gaming, etc. It has a dual band Wi-Fi. I believe it's all around this tablet, so that's pretty good. All the securities, WAPA 2, etc. I believe it goes up to wireless N, I believe. Yeah. It's a shame it doesn't port AC, but it ports N. And USB 2.0, obviously a micro USB connector. Apparently you can use it for your PC, your Mac computer, so it's compatible with Mac. That's good. It's all included in there. What's included? It's the power adapter, obviously, the micro USB cable, and the cable and the power adapter. And also, moving on here, also it has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. That's really good, where some devices are removing that, but this still has it. That's really good. I like that. It has an accelerometer, so it knows where you're at in terms of location. It's good for gaming and such. It's good for gaming. And also for the volume control, it has it up here. It's not like your phone where you can hold it on your side. Oh, it's on the side where you can just hold it and change. It's actually on the top, volume up, volume down. The micro USB port, micro USB port, and the headphone jack. Then you got the power button up here. And then up front you have the camera, and then you have the rear camera. It's good enough for pictures, but it's very blurry. It's bad in low light, so use it as you may, but keep that in mind. Alright guys, so here it does have ads on this, and so you have to pay for a higher version in order to get rid of the ads. There are ways, but you probably could do an internet search on that or contact customer service. But here's the home button, the capacitive buttons, back, home, and it shows all your apps here that you have loaded. Up and down, it's pretty smooth. Let's go to Silk browser. Here I just have Google Assistant. So you go to a website such as Yahoo. It's pretty smooth. A little bit of jitter. And then you can try App Store. Not all the apps are on here. It's not like Google Play Store. There are ways you can do an internet search on that to get the App Store on there. You can side load them. Google Assistant. All the games, all the apps you need. Facebook, YouTube, all these third-party apps, games, etc. It's all there. It's limited though. Is there? It doesn't have everything that the Google Play Store has. And then we try to open up YouTube. YouTube is a little slow on here. I don't know why. It's just a little slow. It could be the Wi-Fi, it could be the application. I personally think it's the application itself. YouTube. Let's see, YouTube. Alright, let's close that. And then so that's pretty much it, guys. So some of the pros and cons of the Amazon Fire HD 8. So we'll start with the pros. It's a good screen size. It's 8-inch screen HD. It's not full HD, but it's HD at least. Impressive 12-hour battery life, which can last you all day, even longer, up to a week. Expanded storage with expanded storage with SD card slot, up to 256 gigabyte. Some of the cons are that some apps are a little bit slow to load, such as YouTube, but it's more than sufficient but it's a little slow. Difficult sometimes to handle because of its size. Obviously it's not a smartphone, it's a tablet, so keep that in mind. Speaker placement can easily be blocked if you hold it in certain areas. You know, like this, it can be blocked, so keep that in mind. Odd placement of the power button and the volume control. So it's not like a smartphone, it's on top. And of course you get ads from Amazon. There are ways to remove that. You can do an internet search on that and possibly contact customer service and see what they can do for you there. It's a good product. It's a good alternative to just using your smartphone for things such as YouTube and Facebook. You use that a lot on your phone. You can just offset that to your tablet. You can ease the battery life on your smartphone. And it's relatively inexpensive from Amazon. I believe you get it for, I forgot how much it was, $50 or $60, including ads. If you want the ads to be removed, you have to pay a little more. Though, okay. The performance, maybe it's a little slow, but it's more than sufficient. It's still something to consider, despite of that. And the tablet market may not be as popular as it was before, but it's still good. It's more of a niche market now. So if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.